I am actually craving for sindat, and now magsisindat ako mag-isa. So this, I got this promotion from Eagets. Then that's Eagets, like only 70,000 kip, and you will get this. This is actually a place here along Mekong River. So the price, I got this for only 70,000 kip. So just download the Eagets app. Actually, this is not a sponsor of Eagets, because I usually or frequently getting or ordering food in Eagets. So I saw this promotion in Eagets for buffet for 70,000 kip, and sakto-sakto I'm craving for this, and got this promotion for 70,000. It's nice. Like they have this seafood, and what's this? Yeah, all of this are included on 70,000 kip. So nice. And the place is not that fancy. As you can see, it's an outdoor, walang takip. And today is Wednesday, so walang masyadong maraming tao. Kaya ganito lang siya. The place is here. So let's try this. Okay. Veggies, all this green, put it here because green is healthy. Yeah. Oh wow, mas mahangin pa. Solo flight. Ang weird, no? Mag-isa lang ako kumakain. Wala naman kasi akong kasama eh. Mag-isa lang ako. Alone is okay. Alone is fine. Kaysa naman may kasama ka, diba? Tapos di kayo magkakasundo. So let's try this. Uy, it's nice, na 70,000. Grabe. Ano siya? Refillable siya. Ouch. Uy, orange juice, natural orange juice. Parang daming, alam mo, napansin ko, ang daming mga Chinese na nagbebenta dito sa may night market. Look, may mga Chinese na rin na vendor dito sa Lao. Oh, this is another Chinese handmade cold noodles. See? Chinese. So talagang in-invade na ng mga Chinese ang Lao, kasi kahit small store, small business, nandito na rin sila, nagbebenta na rin sila. Kasi last time nakita din akong Chinese din na nagbebenta ng mga paa ng manok. See, look at this. Chinese din. Wow. Let's try black tofu. It's a Chinese, and the vendor is Chinese. Ito din, Chinese din. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so 10 pieces is 70,000. Can we have one and mix? Yes, yeah, 5. It's mix. So this is black tofu and white tofu. Okay, and then it will fry. Prito siya. Ayun. 1,000. Okay. Oh, not too much. A little, nítหน่อย. Oh yeah. Not too spicy. Yeah. QR code. Ah. This is so masarap, but it's so mainit. Oh wow, so yummy. So I got this black tofu and white tofu and siomai. Sarap naman siya. Actually, kung yung tofu itself, hindi siya masarap kasi walang lasa. Pero parang merong sauce na minix. So yun, parang nagkalasang very distinct yung lasa niya. Napaka-strong nung aroma pero masarap siya. Let's try this siomai. This is siomai. And there's a sauce here. Okay. Let's try. This is shrimp and chicken siomai. Masarap siya kaso yung sauce lang niya hindi ko gusto kasi parang black soy sauce. Masarap sana to kung ano dato puti. Pero yung shrimp, yung siomai itself is masarap na, malasa. Tapos kung idinip mo pa dito sa black sauce niya, ayun na. Sarap. Pansin ko dito, ang dami ng mga dami mga Chinese na nagbebenta. May mga stall na rin yung mga Chinese people. Talagang they're invading the Lao market. They are dominating. Hindi pa naman sila dominate pero starting to dominate sa Lao market. Kasi ang dami mga tourists eh. I got the freshly squeezed sugar cane. Sarap. Lasang-lasang sugar cane. Fresh and natural sugar cane.